In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a post on Substack. Whether you're new to newsletter platforms or familiar with the landscape, Substack offers a straightforward way to share your ideas with the world. Let's walk through the process together, ensuring you can confidently publish your first post. To begin, navigate to the Substack homepage. Here, you'll find yourself in familiar territory if you're used to platforms that allow content creation and distribution. Once you're on the homepage, look for the New Post button. It's your gateway to initiating a fresh content piece, allowing you to share your unique perspective with your subscribers. After clicking New Post, you'll be prompted to choose a type of content you wish to create. For our purposes, we're selecting Text Post. This option is perfect for traditional blog style entries where your words take center stage. Substack also offers options for other media, but we're keeping it simple for now. Next, you'll need to enter a compelling title for your post. Think of your title as a headline that draws readers in, sparking their curiosity about the content to come. Following the title, you'll have an opportunity to add a subtitle. This additional line can expand upon your title, offering more context or teasing the content in a way that captures attention. Now it's time to dive into the body of your post. Here is where your main content will live, so take your time to craft paragraphs that are both engaging and informative. Remember to utilize the text editor tools provided by Substack to format your post, emphasizing key points or breaking content into digestible sections. Once you've completed your draft, look to the upper right corner and click Continue. This action will advance you to options that dictate how your post is distributed and consumed by your audience. You'll encounter various choices such as sending the post to everyone or restricting it to paid subscribers only. Consider the goals of your post and the audience you're trying to reach when making this decision. For engagements like comments, you can decide if you want to allow everyone to comment or disable commenting altogether. It's a balance between building community interaction and managing the discourse surrounding your content. Adding tags is another valuable step. Tags help categorize your post, making it easier for readers to find related content and engage with it. Think of tags as keywords that summarize the core themes of your writing. Before concluding, consider scheduling your post for delivery at a future date or opting to send it instantly. The choice depends on your content strategy and how you wish to pace the dissemination of information. Finally, you'll have the option to send your post via email and the Substack app, ensuring it reaches your subscribers wherever they prefer. When you're ready, click Send to Everyone Now to publish your post. Additional features like subscribe buttons and more can enhance your post, inviting others to join your mailing list with ease. With these steps completed, you've published your post on Substack, ready to engage with readers worldwide. Congratulations!